Welcome back to another Wildlife Wednesday. Did you know that boa constrictors lurk in the mountains of western Montana? That's right, the northern rubber boa is one of only 2 native boa constrictors to North America, and we have them right here in Montana. They're one of our 10 native snakes. Now, these guys are not venomous. We only have one venomous species of snake in Montana, and that is, of course, the rattlesnake. So how does this little species defend itself? Well, its tail looks just like its head. So what it will do is it will curl its head under its curled up body and flick its tail to confuse a predator. It also uses this trick when hunting. They'll go down into a rodent burrow, flick their tail at the mother mouse, and while she's distracted, they'll gobble up the babies. If you find these guys in the wild, it's really common to see their tail full of scars. And of course, they're called a rubber boa constrictor, so they constrict or squeeze their prey before swallowing them whole. While these guys live all over western Montana, it can be tricky to find them. This is a surprisingly cold-tolerant snake. They're mostly nocturnal and spend a lot of their time in cooler areas like under logs or rocks or down in rodent burrows. This snake's tiny scales make it look and feel like rubber, hence the name rubber boa. Now this is about as long as this species gets. This individual is over 15 years old, and in the wild they can get to be over 25 years old. So we're really lucky to have them in Montana's ecosystems, hanging out and eating rodents for years and years throughout their lifetime. So I hope you learned a little bit about the rubber boa. If you'd like to meet this individual, you can slither on down to Montana Wild.